Welcome to another lesson from Harry Styles' 2019 album Fine Line. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Falling. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button, helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the intro, verse, and chorus are made up of 5 chords, the first of which is an E major chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. Next is a C sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And you're going to strum from the A string. Next is a B major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret. Next is a B with a G sharp bass. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th fret of the low E string. You're going to mute the A string, and you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret with your ring finger. And then last is an A major chord. So you're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to strum from the A string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. So the bridge starts on a C sharp minor chord, which we already learned. Then an E major chord, which we also learned already. Then back to the C minor chord. Then to the B major chord, which we already learned. Then the B with the G sharp bass. Then the A major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Falling. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.